Power delivery fast charging. Charge your iPhone 14 from 0% to 60% in just 30 minutes. The charging speed is 3x faster than the USB-A to Lightning cable. MFi Certified. Featuring new C94 connector and MFi Certified chip, the Type-C to Lightning cable has completed MFi certification requirements and strict quality testing, which can ensure that your iOS device is charged safely at the fastest speed. No warning message pops up to disturb you. Plug and play. Fast charge and data transfer. This MFi certification Lightning cable can support PD18W, 15 volts, 3A, 20 volts, 3A, and reach 480 megabits per second syncing speed. Pictures and files can be uploaded in a few minutes. Meanwhile, thanks to premium multi-shielding and pure copper wire, this Type-C Lightning cable can reduce power loss greatly. Ultimate durability. C to Lightning cable fast charging withstands 15,000 plus times bending test and 10,000 plus plug-unplug tests. Besides, durable nylon braid is built for extra protection and durability, which extends the life far longer than the other USB-C to Lightning cables. Universal compatibility. UGREEN USB C to Lightning cable supports fast charging for iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max and previous version, such as iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 11 series, iPhone 10 series, iPhone 8 series, AirPods. Standard charging speed works with iPhone 7 Plus, 7, 6 Plus, 6, 6S Plus, 6S, iPad mini 4, 3 halves, iPad Air 2/1, iPad 6/5, iPod Touch 6, etc. Top reviews from the United States. My daughter love this cord. I got this for my daughter so she can charge her iPhone in car. She love it. UGREEN makes such great products. Everything I've got from them works great.